Hello guys, my name is Justin and today I will show you how to fix your BMW infotainment system screen. As you can see on my F11 I have these weird scratches, almost like a mist, a hazing on the screen, and today I will show you how to fix it. But before I begin, just a disclaimer that I'm not responsible for any damages that it might cause to your car. So now to fix the screen, you'll only need a few materials, some microfiber cloths, a dash and screen cleaner, as well as a car polish wax. So you want to begin by cleaning off any dust that might be on the screen with a clean microfiber cloth. After the screen is cleaned, take the car polish wax and put it on the screen. Before you do this, you might want to tape off any other plastics because it might damage them, so just keep that in mind. For me, everything was good, and as you can see, my nozzle was a little bit broken, so it kind of just spilled wax on the screen. Then after you do this, take a clean microfiber cloth and then just work it into the screen by applying a little bit of pressure, not too much so you don't damage the screen. So what I'm doing here is just removing the anti-glare protective layer, because throughout the years this layer just goes bad and it causes this sort of like damage to the screen. So I want the screen looking brand new again. So repeat this step as much as you need. I did this about 3 times until I was happy with how the screen looked. Then after polishing your screen, just take your dash and screen cleaner and clean the screen one more time. And as you can see, the screen looks almost brand new. There are still some marks left in the corners because I just could not get it by hand with a microfiber cloth. To do this, you might want to use professional equipment if you want to get those corners, but I'm very happy with how this turned out. As you can see, when I turn on the screen, everything is perfect, no damages, no nothing. It's almost like it is brand new, just like from the factory. And as you can also see, I did the exact same thing on my rear seat screens, and the difference is huge. So you can see the before and after. And as I said before, make sure you do this at your own risk because you might damage your screen. But if this tutorial was helpful, make sure you leave a like. Also subscribe to my channel for more videos and tutorials. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section down below. And thank you very much for watching.